Oh, he's already getting started. All right. I told myself I'm gonna chill out this ride. He's already ripping wheelies and stuff. That's not good. Whew, it is toasty today. But yeah, we're with Stetson today. He's on his HyperMotard. We're gonna head up to Cycle Gear. There's actually a bike night going on. I guess they do it every Tuesday at Cycle Gear, and I had no idea. But we're gonna go see it, check it out. There's like raffles and stuff. Go see what's going on. I like want to turn around and look at the cop, but I don't have mirrors, and turning around is so freaking obvious. It's like feels like I'm doing something wrong. Totally getting on the freeway with this. Oh man, that's too bad. But we were gonna take the Groms and kind of mess around on the way up there, but Stetson actually broke his foot peg the other day. His foot peg took most of the hit, so I don't mind though, because I could look at that HyperMotard all day long, dude. I love those things. Oh my gosh, my anxiety is like through the roof right now. That cop is right behind me. I just gotta ride like a normal person. How do I do that? If you guys hear like little tapping or clicking noises, I apologize. It's like the little strings from my hoodie is hitting my helmet, and I realized that like the past 2 videos, I'm like, what is that tapping noise? I thought it was my mic, but it's actually just the freaking little tassel things on my hoodie. Yeah. Oh, I don't know the hell, just like stung my hand. That's better. Look at all that traffic. Oh my gosh, I can hear those things hitting my helmet. It's so annoying. Hey, way back. Oh, new go-karts. Hey, sit your ass down. Dude, they are out today. This sucks. I'm not saying I want to break the law or anything. I'm just saying there's a lot of cops out today. It's just an observation.
Look at that, dude. Ready?
She's just wide open.
The whole time, I guess.
This is such a dope road. I see a road like this and it's just, oh, it's a dope road. I don't know why I think like that.